Hi, welcome to TunesKit. In today's video, I'll explain what MDM Lock is, why it happens, and most importantly, how to remove MDM Lock step by step. MDM, or Mobile Device Management, is a system used by companies, schools, and organizations to manage Apple devices remotely. When a device is enrolled in MDM, the administrator can restrict app installation, block certain settings, monitor device usage, remotely lock or wipe the device. This is common for company-issued iPhones or iPads, second-hand devices that were not properly removed from management. So if you bought a used iPhone or iPad and see an MDM screen during setup, it means the previous organization never removed the device from their system. Method 1. Remove MDM Lock via settings. Admin required. If you know the MDM username and password, follow these steps. Open Settings, then tap General, scroll down, and select VPN and Device Management. Tap the MDM profile, choose Remove Management, then enter the admin credentials. Once removed, the device will restart, and the MDM lock will be gone. However, most users don't have access to the admin account, especially with second-hand devices. So let's move on to the next method. Using TunesKit iPhone Unlocker, connect your iPhone to computer, choose Remove MDM. Then, click the Start button. Wait for a few seconds, and this program will remove MDM without password. Once the removal process is done, your iPhone will restart automatically. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to set up your iPhone. And that's all. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.